Happy Friday, Brian Manning here with your weekly update. Let's get right to it. So, Monday this week, pretty much a quiet news day, not really much to talk about there. Tuesday this week, we get some feedback from CoreLogic. CoreLogic was telling us about delinquencies on mortgages in the U.S. It's really amazing to see that right now, only zero point 0.6 of all homes with mortgages on them in the U.S. are actually in the process of being foreclosed upon right now. And mortgages that have 90 days or more in late payments is only 1.9% of those across the US as well. So really incredible to see that really appreciation is the magical elixir in the housing market, and just really solid delinquency numbers. Always going to have some, but these are just really good to see. Wednesday this week, stocks were down significantly, all based off of the US threat of an additional $200 billion of tariffs against China. Investors aren't fans of this. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Certainly moving the markets. Also, Wednesday this week, we get PPI. So PPI is the producer price index. This measures inflation at the wholesale level. So typically we look at PPI first because if inflation and cost of goods is going up on the wholesale level, it's going to translate to us on the consumer level. So PPI was at the highest level since 2011. So definitely starting to see inflation creep into the wholesale market. And then Thursday this week, we get what's called CPI. That's the consumer price index. So PPI looks at the wholesale side, but the CPI looks at how it affects us, so the consumer price index. So CPI, the headline number, which is inclusive of everything across the board, out-of-pocket medical expenses, housing, fuel, energy, food, etc., was from 2.8% up to 2.9%. If you strip out volatile food and energy, you look at what's called the core rate. The core rate increased from 2.2% to 2.3%. So certainly seeing inflation here. Definitely going to give the Federal Reserve more fuel in the fire for them to hike rates because their headline that they're trying to stay under is 2%, and here we are seeing inflation go up. So inflation, we talked about before, the enemy of bonds. As we see more and more inflation in the marketplace, mortgage rates are going to go up. Today, quiet news day, not much to talk about there. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any buyers that need to get pre-approved, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Happy Friday. Have a great day.